Hello, this is Jonathan Schlack, EAS&Weather. We still have a moderate risk across southeast Kansas, but this thunderstorm continues to move east, and the moderate risk area has now shrunken in size. But there is still a high wind threat across southeastern Kansas, points northeastward through parts of the overnight. But right now, there is still a 45% high wind risk within the small moderate risk area. And the hail threat seems to have decreased. But it doesn't mean there's a zero chance. There's still a chance that there could be hail. And as a matter of fact, I'm expecting there to be some hail still. And still can't rule out some tornadoes tonight. Now I'm going to read you the summary from the Storm Prediction Center. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing widespread damaging winds and large hail are expected to persist this evening across portions of southern and eastern Kansas and northern Oklahoma. There are two clusters of thunderstorms that have congealed into a large line of storms across central and southern Kansas. This line of storms has a history of producing 75 to 100 mile-per-hour winds earlier this evening. While the extreme wind threat is likely over, 70 to 80 mile-per-hour winds are still possible for a few more hours as the squall line moves east across southeast Kansas, with some wind expected to persist into Missouri during the overnight period. Farther south, there has been a persistent large supercell thunderstorm that continues across western Oklahoma. The supercell has a history of baseball-sized hail and at least one tornado, which has prompted some tornado warnings and a tornado emergency. The storm will encounter increasing inhibition as the boundary layer continues to cool ahead of it. The HRRR suggests additional supercells may develop across northwestern and northern Oklahoma late this evening along the trailing outflow boundary from the Kansas mesoscale convective system as the low-level jet strengthens. These storms will have primary threats of large hail and severe wind gusts, although a tornado or two may also be possible. And again, there could still be some tornadoes this evening, and again, there are several tornado warnings this evening, including several tornado warnings in Oklahoma, including a tornado emergency and a PDS tornado warning. But anyway, I'm gonna go over to the watches, and there is still a severe thunderstorm watch in eastern Kansas, extreme southeast Nebraska, southwestern Iowa, and northwestern Missouri until 2 o'clock in the morning, as this line of storms continues eastward. And I'm going to zoom in on that supercell that is northwest of Oklahoma City. That has prompted tornado warnings and a tornado emergency this evening, and a PDS tornado warning. This line will continue eastward with time tonight. And so if you're in the severe thunderstorm watch area, monitor the latest forecasts and be prepared to take action, because I expect many more warnings tonight. I expect many more. There will certainly be more severe thunderstorm warnings, and can't rely on some tornado warnings, so you're going to have to stay tuned tonight. Have a way to get notified if you're one of those people that go to bed early. And there is a severe weather risk tomorrow, but there is a slight risk across northeastern Colorado, much of Nebraska, northern Kansas, northwest Missouri, and southwest Iowa, as well as southeastern Wisconsin, northeast Illinois, and northwest Indiana. And the primary concerns will be the wind and the hail, but the hail will be more so in northeastern Colorado, Nebraska, northern Kansas, southwest Iowa, northwest Missouri, for the highest hail threats. but we can't rely on isolated tornado tomorrow either, and there is a threat for severe weather on Tuesday as well, so there is an enhanced now for Tuesday in southeast Minnesota, southwest Wisconsin, much of Iowa, northwest Illinois, northern Missouri, eastern Kansas, and the extreme southeastern corner of Nebraska, so be weather aware over the next couple of days, and I will keep everybody informed if needed. I mean, it will be needed, but I will keep everybody informed. And I'll give you an update tomorrow. Tonight, this is the last update for tonight as I'm going to bed. Take care.